How to share real-time ETA from Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. It works on iPhone, Samsung or Android. So for that we will simply open Google Maps app. Once you open it, here you guys will see arrow on down right side, so simply click on that. Now here we will simply write our this start location. Also you can choose on map, but I will simply write, for example, Lucky Marath. Also you will write destination like where you are going. So for example, I am going to Islamabad. After that you need to wait for some seconds. Here it will say finding best route. So here we go. Here you guys can see 6 hour 32 minutes and total distance was 299 kilometer. So the question is, what was our ETA? So our ETA was 6 hour 32 minutes. So for example, I want to share it with someone, I will simply took screenshot and I will send the screenshot to them. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.